Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. So the question says, in a hydrogen-like sample, electrons make transition from fourth excited state to the second state. Then, and we have four options, 10 different spectral lines are observed, 6 different spectral lines are observed, number of lines belonging to the Balmer series is 3, number of lines belonging to the Paschen series is 2. So here, the key concept is electronic spectrum. Electronic spectrum. So इसमें given है that electrons make transition from fourth excited state to the second state. As we know, n is equal to 1 is known as the ground state. Ground state. So n is equal to 2 जो है, that is the first excited state. First excited state. Similarly, जो fourth excited state होगी, that will be n is equal to 5. n is equal to 5 is the fourth excited state. Alright, so ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है that is traveling from n is equal to 5 to n is equal to 2 and जो number of spectral lines का formula होता है number of spectral lines is equal to ni minus nf multiplied by ni minus nf plus 1 divided by 2 and यहाँ पर जो ni है that is 5 and nf is 2 जो initial and final होता है so 5 minus 2 multiplied by 5 minus 2 plus 1 divided by 2 which is 3 multiplied by 4 by 2 which is equal to 6. So 6 spectral lines are observed जो कि statement B में given है. So statement B is correct. Now let us draw all the energy levels. So this is n is equal to 5. This is n is equal to 4. This is n is equal to 3. And this is n is equal to 2. And 5 से 2 के बीच में जो भी ट्रांजिशन होना होता है वो हो रहा है यहाँ पे. So let us look at all possible transitions. Total 6 transitions होंगे. So one transition is from 5 to 2 और एक transition होगा from 4 to 2 और एक transition होगा from 3 to 2. Now कोई भी energy level से अगर second energy level में electron travel कर रहा है then that series of lines is called Balmer series. And यहाँ पर Balmer series में 3 lines present हैं. So जो कि statement C में given है number of lines belonging to the Balmer series is 3. So statement C is correct. Then जो other spectral lines होंगे one is from 5 to 3, another is from 4 to 3 and the next one is from 5 to 4. Now ये जो second series है this is Paschen series. अगर कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉन हायर लेवल से थर्ड लेवल में ट्रांजिट करती है देन दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ पास्चन सीरीज एंड यहाँ पर पास्चन सीरीज में 2 लाइंस प्रेजेंट हैं जो कि स्टेटमेंट डी में गिवन है. सो स्टेटमेंट डी इज करेक्ट एंड जो नेक्स्ट सीरीज है दैट इज ब्रैकेट सीरीज. ब्रैकेट सीरीज में सिर्फ एक ही लाइन प्रेजेंट है बट यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट सीरीज के बारे में कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन नहीं है. एंड स्टेटमेंट ए इज इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज स्टेटमेंट ए में गिवन है 10 different spectral lines are observed which is incorrect because हमने देखा कि total 6 spectral lines यहाँ पर form हो रहे हैं. So the correct statements are B, C and D. This is the required answer and I hope you understood the concept well. Best of luck.